Welcome back, dear friends and supporters. In today's video, we will be looking at how to add a custom weapon pack for your server. Through this video, you will be able to add over 150 custom-made add-on guns to your server, bringing a unique touch to your gameplay. Players are going to really enjoy the new knives and guns. Let's dive in and get started. To kick off the integration of this dynamic update into your FiveM server, begin by heading to our GitHub page. We've made this step straightforward for you by placing the link right in the video description for easy access. Upon reaching the page, proceed to download the folder. Once downloaded, unzip the folder and then copy and paste it into the server directory that best fits your configuration. The subsequent step requires a minor adjustment. Simply eliminate the word main from the folder name to guarantee a seamless setup process. Once you've renamed the folder accordingly, the next step is to integrate the key components that will breathe life into the script. Head over to the GitHub README file, where you'll discover a comprehensive list of items essential for the script's functionality. Copy these items, then navigate to your qbcore/shared/items directory. It's recommended to create a subheading that resonates with your organizational preferences and paste the items list under this section. Following that, revisit the script folder and locate the images directory. This step is critical. Ensure you copy all the images from this directory and transfer them to the qb inventory/html/images directory on your server. This action is imperative for ensuring that all new items introduced by the script are properly visualized within the game's inventory system, significantly enhancing the player's interaction and engagement with these items. With these preparatory steps out of the way, the script is now set up and eager for deployment. Now the names of the new knives, which were recently updated, were done in capital letters, which may break the system from spawning the knives. I've posted the corrected version of the code snippet in our Discord. You can simply copy and replace it in the items Lua file. Since our Discord server ran out of boosters, I've uploaded it as a file, or it may have been fixed while you watch. The next step is to copy the code from GitHub and paste it into qbcore shared/weapons Lua. Pasting it at the top will make it more organized for future reference. Next, copy the code from GitHub and go to the qbweaponsconfig Lua file. Here, find the durability multiplier and paste the copied code below it. It may look different compared to the rest of the code, as these lines are a year old, and the new QB codes have a cleaner look without brackets, so it's completely fine. The next step is to go to line 209 in the config file. This may vary with version changes, to find the weapon attachment section. As you can see, the old codes and new codes are completely different, so I've provided the new code snippet in my Discord. Simply copy the appropriate code for the attachment and paste it. Follow along with the video for a better understanding. Make sure to manually copy and paste each category carefully. To check out Zap Hosting, renowned as the top hosting provider for your server needs. They offer a wide variety of products that can be customized to suit your preferences. Don't forget to use my redeem code at checkout to receive a massive 20% discount. You can find the code in the video description. Additionally, there's more exciting news. If we surpass 100 members using Zap through our link, I will host a giveaway for a lifetime Zap server. This is a fantastic opportunity for our community, so make sure not to miss out. Next, we need to add weapon draw animations for the guns. First, copy the code snippet from GitHub for the weapon draw animation. Then, navigate to QB Small Resources, Client, wepdraw.lua, and open the file. Paste the copied code snippet after the local weapons section. Please note that I haven't included the holster animation for police in the provided snippet. So, if you want to integrate that, make sure to do it properly. Ensure you manually copy the code to avoid any issues with other code segments, and check for missing commas or any other syntax issues to correct them. By following these steps, you will successfully add the weapon draw animation to your server. Next, we need to add the code snippet from GitHub to add recoil for these guns. Copy the code and add it to the QB Small Resources Client recoil.lua file. And that's it for the default setup of these custom guns. The next set of codes available are for adding these guns to certain jobs and for robbery usage. Since I have a different script, I won't be adding this part, but these additions are optional if you like. Now, if you have my Weapon It Back script, you can easily add the gun to the script's client file. For example, the katana file is already added, so I'm going to try my long-awaited katana sword. Simply spawn the katana using its spawn name, and it will be seamlessly integrated with the Weapon It Back script. It also features a specialized animation while you run. I haven't found a custom katana add-on skin, but there is a replacement version for the machete that can be used as an animated katana. Be sure to watch my gun skin video and install this file. Next, try out all the newly added guns and knives. If the inventory is bugging out, make sure the names are correct, or simply restart the server to fix the issue. Now this is how the animated katana looks. It replaces the machete, and you can also get different skins for it from GTA 5 mods. All the custom guns added can be tried out on the server as you wish. Some guns have extra damage properties and other features, so make sure to check them out. Additionally, I have another set of 100 custom knives from the Counter-Strike game. Make sure to comment knife skin and join our Discord to get the link to these 100 free knives. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful for adding custom weapons and animations to your FiveM server. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm happy to announce that Addon has welcomed over 2,500 members, making it one of the biggest hubs for FiveM server developers and owners. Currently, we invite 100 new members every day. Our experienced developers and support team provide free assistance to all members who are struggling to set up their servers. All my videos with alert systems are included in the Discord, along with unique client codes and Discord server templates. A big shout out to my support team for their patience and around-the-clock dedication in providing free support. So why wait? Join our Discord and learn FiveM development together.